Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best breast pump kit is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked pieces of equipment for new mothers, offering a convenient and flexible way to provide breast milk for your baby when direct breastfeeding isn't always possible, ensuring your little one receives the vital nutrients and antibodies found in breast milk, even when you're on the go or returning to work, making it an indispensable tool for modern parenting. Number 5. NCVI 8782 Electric Breast Pump. Introducing the NCVI 8782, your new essential for on-the-go feeding. This portable double breast pump offers hospital-grade performance wherever you are. With 4 modes and 9 adjustable levels, you can personalize your pumping experience for maximum comfort and efficiency. Find the perfect setting for your needs. Our anti-backflow design ensures a hygienic pumping process, protecting both you and your baby. It's built for your peace of mind. Enjoy discreet and quiet pumping sessions thanks to its rechargeable and low-noise operation. It's designed for comfortable use at home or while traveling. Experience efficient and comfortable breastfeeding support with this advanced electric pump. It makes feeding your baby easier, no matter your location. Whether at home, work, or traveling, this device is your ideal partner for seamless breastfeeding. It's designed for your busy lifestyle. What we like. This model offers hospital-grade suction for efficient milk expression. Its portable and quiet design makes it ideal for discreet use anywhere. If you need a reliable and powerful pump for regular use at home or work, this is a great choice. What people say. This is the best pump ever. I love that they give you a nipple measurement tool with multiple flanges to choose from, and on top of that, the flanges are so smooth. Although I'm using coconut oil, I am not in pain at all, and having this pump that has settings to ensure gentle use but still offers various settings to express milk abundantly has been amazing, and this is just day one. It does the job pretty well and has not failed me yet. I like the suction and the different modes. It is easy to find something I like or need at the time. The parts are quick and easy to clean. It has lots of flange sizes which many pumps struggle with, and I have an awkward size, so it's nice. The suction is powerful. Most pumps I would use max suction level or close to it, but not with this. It's light and compact. Also, it's literally so quiet, I love it. The little manual book also shows different combinations of modes to help, whether it's to get more supply or empty you out. I loved that and definitely worked for me. Number 4. Paruu P10 Wearable Breast Pump. Introducing the Paruu P10, a revolutionary hands-free breast pump designed for modern mothers. Experience powerful yet quiet suction for efficient and comfortable milk expression, anytime, anywhere. With up to 338 mm of mercury of strong suction, it effectively supports your milk flow. Choose from 4 modes and 9 adjustable levels to personalize your pumping experience for maximum comfort and efficiency. This electric breast pump is portable and wearable, fitting discreetly into your bra. Its low-noise operation ensures privacy, allowing you to pump at work, while traveling, or at home without disturbance. The smart display provides clear information at a glance, making operation simple and intuitive. It comes with multiple flange sizes to ensure a perfect fit for every user. This 2-pack set in elegant white provides everything you need for uninterrupted pumping. Enjoy the freedom and convenience of hands-free technology with the Paruu P10. What we like. Experience true freedom with its hands-free, wearable design. The strong, adjustable suction ensures effective milk removal, while the smart display keeps you informed. If you're a busy mom who needs to multitask or pump on the go, this wearable pump is perfect for you. What people say. I use the extraction setting the most, and I only put it on level 4, out of the 9 total levels available. Within 12 minutes, I have 312 to 412 ounces from one boob. This is my favorite one. I am able to use it while my baby is feeding on the opposite breast, and it gets a lot of milk out in a short period of time, depending on the level that I choose, LVL 1 to 9. The screen is very clear, and the instruction manual, or the ad here on Amazon with the photo showing the different modes and levels, can help you best interpret what the screen settings are showing if you ever need to revisit or lose your instruction manual. There's 4 modes and 9 different levels for each of the 4 modes. Very easy tool to use and switch between the modes plus levels, as there is just the mode button in the middle, which is also the power button, and then a plus button to increase the strength level on the right, and a button to decrease the strength level on the left. 3 buttons only, makes it simply to toggle between functions and levels of each. Number 3. Medela Freestyle Hands-Free Double Electric Breast Pump. Meet the Medela Freestyle Hands-Free, a revolutionary double electric breast pump designed for your busy life. Experience unparalleled freedom and comfort while pumping. Its innovative wearable cups fit discreetly inside your bra, allowing you to move freely. Enjoy a comfortable and efficient pumping experience anywhere, anytime. This powerful yet portable device features a rechargeable battery, ensuring you have the power you need on the go. It's designed for discretion and convenience. Stay connected with seamless app integration. Track your pumping sessions and manage your supply effortlessly, all from your smartphone. Designed for double pumping, it helps you express more milk in less time. Maximize your efficiency and comfort with this advanced breast pump. Embrace the freedom to pump discreetly and comfortably, no matter where your day takes you. It's the perfect companion for modern mothers. What we like. Enjoy the convenience of wearable cups for a discreet pumping experience. Seamlessly track your sessions with app connectivity. If you value discretion and the ability to pump anywhere without drawing attention, this is an excellent option for pumping at work or in public. What people say. I get just as much milk as I did for my first baby using the Spectra pump. For me, the best part is being able to pump in the car on my commute to work. It's also portable enough that I can do some things at home while pumping. Number 2. Frida Mom 9PC Breastfeeding Essentials Kit. Introducing the Frida Mom 9PC Breastfeeding Essentials Kit. This comprehensive set is designed to provide comfort and support throughout your lactation journey. It includes a specialized lactation massager to help stimulate milk flow. This tool is designed for effective and comfortable use. Experience soothing relief with the included heating pads. They provide gentle warmth to ease discomfort and promote relaxation. Nourish and hydrate your skin with the included breast masks. These masks are formulated to provide essential moisture and care. This kit offers everything you need for lactation support and nipple relief. It's an essential addition to your postpartum care. Looking for a thoughtful postpartum gift? This Essentials Kit is a perfect choice for new mothers. Give the gift of comfort and support. What we like. This is a complete kit designed for holistic lactation support. It includes essential tools for milk flow and nipple comfort. If you're looking for a convenient package to address common postpartum breastfeeding challenges and ensure comfort, this set is ideal. What people say. The kit comes with 2 breast masks, large size instant breast warmers, smaller size, on-the-go, breast warmers, and a lactation massager. The breast masks are a nice treat for my breast after a long day of breastfeeding. My absolute favorite product in this kit are the instant breast warmers. I use the larger breast warmers at home and keep the smaller size warmers in my baby's diaper bag for when I am breastfeeding on the go. I love the fact that these warmers require no heat to warm up. They instantly heat up with a click of the metal discs located inside each breast warmer. Once my breast warmers were heated up, it held its warmth for over 5 minutes. I noticed the difference and was able to let down more milk for my baby, which I had been struggling with. The massager is excellent for helping with any clogged ducts and encouraging letdown. OMG, and the Warner's best invention ever, no need for the microwave. Perfect heat so it doesn't burn your skin. Number 1. Medela Symphony Breast Pump Kit. Introducing the Medela Symphony Breast Pump Kit, your complete solution for starting your pumping journey. This double pumping system is designed for your convenience and comfort. This kit includes everything you need to begin pumping right away. It's designed to make your experience as smooth and efficient as possible. Experience the benefits of a double pumping system. It allows you to express more milk in less time, supporting your breastfeeding goals. Your health and your baby's health are our top priorities. This product is made without BPA, ensuring a safe and healthy pumping experience. Specifically designed to work with the Symphony system, this kit ensures optimal performance and ease of use. Get started with confidence. What we like. Achieve hospital-grade performance with this comprehensive double pumping system. It includes everything you need to get started immediately. If you require a reliable, high-performance pump for consistent and efficient milk collection, especially for establishing or maintaining supply, this is a top-tier choice. What people say. This kit includes everything you need to pump with the Symphony. You don't need anything else. The bottles included have volume measurement markings along the side that are simply indentations into the plastic, making the measurements extremely hard to see. The Medela Symphony was consistent on how much it pumped each time and did it usually in 10 to 15 minutes, which was amazing. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.